Today we're diving into the basic Tunisian crochet, specifically focusing on the Tunisian Simple Stitch or TSS. This simple technique combines elements of both crochet and knitting, creating a unique and textured fabric that's perfect for a variety of projects. What are we waiting for? Let's begin to make this beautiful stitch. For the foundation row, I have here a chain of 31. This will be your foundation chain. You can adjust the number of chains if you want a larger or a smaller washcloth or a smaller project that you want to make. So once you have that one, just to show you, in the first row forward pass, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. So 1 and then 2. Insert your hook there, and then yarn over and pull up a loop. Keep the loop on the hook. Continue to insert your hook into each chain across, pulling up a loop and leaving all the loops on the hook, just like that. Go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up, insert in the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and repeat that all the way down. This is my last chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 31 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop only. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And I have 1 loop left in my hook, and we're done for that round. First vertical bar, go into the next, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then repeat that in each of the bar here. Go in the next bar and pull up a loop. This is gonna be my last vertical bar. I'm just gonna take 2 of this, then it's holding really tight. You should have 31 loops in your hook. As before, yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops until 1 loops remain on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and this will be my last loop. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. I have 1 loop left in my hook. That's how it look like. Now we're going to repeat. Skip the first vertical bar, insert your hook in the next vertical bar, then yarn over and pull up a loop. Leave the loop on the hook, repeat across, picking up a loop under each vertical bar until you have 31 loops in your hook. Repeat all the way down. So I'm reaching the last bar, which is this one here. Let's count, and you should have 31 loops in your hook. And again, as before, yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops until 1 loop remains on your hook. So as you can see, we've been repeating this now over and over again. Repeat until you have 1 loop left on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And this will be my last loop in my hook. So we're just gonna repeat what we did. Now you have a bar, skip the first bar, go in the next bar, insert your hook under the next vertical bar, yarn over and pull up a loop. Leave that loop in your hook and repeat across. And this will be my last bar, yarn over and pull up a loop. Sure, you have 31 loops left on your hook. Repeat again, yarn over, pull through one loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. My last 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's it. So we have these vertical bars here. Skip the first bar, go in the next, insert your hook there, yarn over and pull up a loop. Go in the next bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Go in the next bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. I am in my last 2 bars, 1 and here 2. Make sure you have 31 stitches in your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat that all the way across. So to begin with a bar again, skip the first bar, go in the next vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, and go in the next bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. This will be my last vertical. This will be my last 2 vertical bar, 1 and 2. Make sure you have 31 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop in your hook, and then the rest is pull through 2 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So I'm just gonna repeat these rows, the 2 rows that we make, which is the bar loop and the pull through 2 loops, and it creates us this pattern. After completing the last row return pass, work a bend off row to finish the edge. Insert your hook under the first vertical bar here. It's gonna be our first vertical bar, and then yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. It's gonna be like that. Insert your hook under the first vertical bar, just like a slip stitch. Repeat this across the row for net edges. Go in the next bar, yarn over and pull through. Go in the next bar, yarn over and pull through. So we're just gonna repeat that in each of this bar like a slip stitch. Super easy, and now we have a very nice clean edges here when finishing the Tunisian stitches project. And that's it. Once you're done, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn.